The Linenspa? The ZINUS or Crystli? Perhaps the Olee Omega or the Lucid? Which one should you buy? In this video, we're going to look at the top hybrid mattresses available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 hybrid mattresses. The 5th product on this list is the Lucid 10-inch hybrid mattress. Both pure foam mattresses and traditionally sprung mattresses have issues because there is often a level of comfort and support they simply cannot provide. Thankfully, there is the option of hybrid mattresses on the market, and this Lucid 10-inch hybrid mattress is one of the best around. It utilizes 4 layers of different foams, and an encased pocket coil makes it comfortable and supportive, irrespective of whether you are a side, stomach, or back sleeper. Since it has a layer of soft and responsive memory foam, the mattress conforms to the shape of your body, giving all your curves the support they need so that you don't wake up with pains of any sort. It's easier for pure foam mattresses to absorb and retain odor than it is for this product. This is because 2 of its memory foam layers are infused with charcoal to remove odors from the skin so that it doesn't cause an allergic reaction. Also, the 1-inch transmission foam has an aloe vera infusion that keeps you cool and refreshed through the night. We particularly like how the enclosed coils provide firm support so that one can move without disturbing the other person on the bed. This mattress is versatile to use on different bed frames, including adjustable, slatted, box springs, or platform bed frames. The Lucid 10-inch hybrid mattress arrives rolled in a box. Once you unroll it and place it on your bed, allow it to expand into its full shape before you use it. Although the expansion time may take longer to regain its shape, especially if you live in a cold environment, say 24 to 72 hours. Its pros are, it supports all sleep positions, it is hypoallergenic, and it conforms to your body shape to provide support to all curves. However, you cannot flip the mattress to use the bottom side. The Lucid 10-inch hybrid mattress is for anyone who wants a cool and comfortable hybrid mattress with medium firmness. Up next in 4th place is the ZINUS Cooling Copper Mattress. After a stressful day outside, nothing beats coming home to your safe space and a comfortable bed like the ZINUS Cooling Copper Mattress. The brand ZINUS is known for providing quality mattresses, and this hybrid unit isn't any different. The mattress is designed to provide a more than comfortable sleeping surface. It features 2 layers of high-density foam, 1 layer of copper memory foam, and a base layer of enclosed coils. On its top, you'll see a treated poly-jacquard cover fabric designed to wick off the excess moisture from your body heat as you sleep so that you wake up feeling cool. Its copper memory foam layer also has some thermo-regulating properties that remove excess heat from your body, enabling you to enjoy your sleep without overheating. Additionally, the natural green tea infused into the cover keeps you feeling fresh when you wake up. The combination of memory foam and pocket coils provides the utmost support in that you get superior edge support that resists motion transfer whenever you or your partner moves on the bed. It also provides adequate support for your joints and spine, and so relieves any pains you feel in those areas. And for those who sit or sleep on the edge more often, this product comes with an extra perimeter layer of superior foam edge support. Its pros are, the cover fabric and copper memory foam layer regulates your body temperature as you sleep. It resists motion transfer, and it supports your spine and joints while relieving you from pains in those areas. However, it is on the higher end of the firmness scale, which won't suit everyone. The ZINUS Cooling Copper Mattress is for those who sweat when they sleep and need a mattress with cooling features. Still haven't found a hybrid mattress that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Linenspa Hybrid Mattress. Choosing a hybrid mattress that meets all your relaxing and sleeping needs may be a hassle if you consider the number of brands and products on the market. That is why we have done the hard part and curated this list to make your search easier. The Linenspa Hybrid Mattress responsive contour design follows the curves of your body. It provides you with full body support thanks to the memory foam layer. In place of enclosed coil layers, Linenspa has traditional steel springs covered with layers of memory foam. This makes this product feel less firm and more bouncy. Furthermore, it has a 600-pound weight capacity, which means it can support light, average, and heavyweight sleepers and still provide the adequate support they need. Thankfully, the durable steel coil promotes even weight distribution, while the cushioned memory foam minimizes pressure from the various curves of your body by conforming to the curves. These and more make the Linenspa a worthy investment you can use in any room. We like that it comes in a convenient package that ships directly to your doorstep. Its pros are, the contouring design provides support and comfort, its steel spring construction makes it very durable, and it has a much bouncier feel than most hybrid mattresses. However, it lacks adequate edge support. The Linenspa Hybrid Mattress is suitable for sleepers who prefer a bouncy, responsive mattress with medium firmness. The second product on this list is the Crystli Queen Mattress. The belief that a good night's sleep can influence your mood positively throughout the day remains true. From head to toe, the Crystli Queen Mattress provides adequate support for every curve on your body so you wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. This 10-inch mattress combines 5 layers of foam with a wrapped coil system and a super stretch fabric to enhance your sleeping experience. We like that it remains breathable so that the sleep surface maintains the optimal temperature for your sleeping comfort. It also uses a memory foam infused with gel to keep you cool even on hot nights, while still conforming to your body shape. Moreover, the wavy base foam with ventilation zones further enhances airflow, and an anti-fire foam that further makes this product a fireproof one. Its high-density foam and enclosed spring coil system provide customized support for your entire body from head to toe and reduce motion disturbance. The spring coil system also absorbs sound and vibration, evenly distributes your body weight, and reinforces the edge support. Furthermore, the high-density foam on the bottom layer supports the enclosed coil system and provides exceptional pressure relief and excellent support. Lastly, we appreciate that where most manufacturers offer a lesser sleep trial period, Crystli offers a 100-night sleep trial period and a 10-year warranty. Its pros are, it provides enhanced support from head to toe, it is very breathable and perfect for hot summer nights, and it comes with a 100-night sleep trial, so you will know if it's right for you. However, it can be tough to maneuver on your own as there are no handles on the sides to grab onto. The Crystli Queen Mattress is ideal for young sleepers who want good back support and a cool night's sleep. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top hybrid mattress is the Olee Omega. Spring coils, enclosed or not, remain the highlight of hybrid mattresses because of the added support they provide your skeletal system. Like the others on this list, the Olee Omega also uses enclosed spring coils to give every curve on your body the adequate support it needs as you sleep. As such, you wake up without pain or discomfort in those areas. Also, these spring coils ensure that your weight is evenly distributed when you lay on the bed. You cannot experience such a benefit when using pure foam mattresses. Furthermore, it is impressive how these coils prevent motion transfer disturbance, allowing you to turn or move on the bed all through the night without disturbing your partner. We like that the manufacturer took a step further to upgrade the durability of this hybrid mattress by adding multiple high-density and memory foam layers, which also contributes to the comfort and support you get to enjoy on this product. While support and comfort are paramount when buying mattresses, breathability shouldn't be compromised too. Thankfully, the memory foam in this product is infused with gel to ensure a sleep surface with optimal temperature. With this, you can be sure to enjoy a sweet night's rest. Its pros are, it provides contoured support for your body while you sleep. The Dura enclosed pocket spring enhances the durability of this mattress. The gel and foam layers ensure the sleeping surface stays cool, and its balance of springs and memory foam make it comfy to sit and sleep on. However, the largest size available is a queen. The Olee Omega is a brilliantly designed hybrid mattress recommended for those who want to experience a perfect balance of comfort and support and get the best night's rest possible. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.